Hey, I'm Hadi. Let's learn the wadu. How to make wadu?
Now we must remember three things before we start. Number 1, it's important to performing step of wadu in a right order. Number 2, we should not waste water when we make wadu. Number 3, before we start making wadu, we must begin by saying Bismillah. Step number 1, wash your hand 3 times. Wash your hand completely, including your wrist and between fingers. Step 2, wash your mouth 3 times. Put water into your mouth using your right hand. Swirl it around in your mouth and then spit it out. Step 3, wash your nose 3 times. Put some water in your right hand, then sniff it into your nose. Then with your left hand, blow it all out. Step 4, wash your face 3 times. Wet both your hands and wipe your face from your forehead all over the way to your chin and from the right ear to the left, making sure you get every spot. Step 5, wash both arms 3 times. Starting with your right arm, wash it from your fingers and all the way up above your elbow 3 times. Do the same thing for your left arm. Step 6, wipe your head once. Wet both your hands and wipe your hand from the front all the way to the back of the head and then back to the front again in one motion. Step 7, wipe both ears once. Wet both your hands and then use your index finger to clean hand inside your ears and use both your thumbs to also clean behind your ears. Step 8, wash your feet 3 times. Wash your right foot up to your ankle and in between your toes, making sure you get every part. Then do the same thing for your left foot. Dua after wadu. أشهد أن لا إله إلا الله وحده لا شريك له وأشهد أن محمدا عبده اللهم أجلني من التوابين وجعلني من المطهرين. I bear witness that none has the right to be worshipped but Allah alone, who has no partner. I bear witness that Muhammad is his slave. O Allah, make me among those who turn to you and make me among those who are purified.